The magic onion, things you didn't know onions could do. Before we start with this video, you should know that onions are a natural cure for many health problems. It is the best remedy for severe vomiting, and as a general antibiotic that can boost your immune system. This super healthy vegetable is part of the allium family of vegetables and herbs, which also includes chives, garlic, scallions and leeks. And allium vegetables have been cultivated for centuries for not only their characteristic, pungent flavors but also for their medicinal properties. Onions can vary in size, shape, color and flavor. The most common types are red, yellow and white onion. Flavors can vary from sweet and juicy with a mild flavor to sharp, spicy, and pungent, often depending on the season in which they are grown and consumed. It is estimated that 105 billion pounds of onions are harvested each year worldwide. The experts say that onions can help you with many different ailments, such as lowering the risk of several types of cancer, improving mood and maintaining the health of skin and hair. Onions are a nutrient-dense food, meaning that while they are low in calories, they are high in beneficial nutrients like vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. You should also know that onion contains high amounts of antioxidants like quercetin, relieving the body from free radicals and preserving its health. Onions can be easily juiced and consumed as such, helping with respiratory diseases because of its cleansing nature. You'll be amazed when we tell you that respiratory conditions respond well to onion juice as it is a great expectorant. Onions are good for cholesterol levels, heart, arthritis, a great antioxidant, and good for diabetes due to its flavonoid and sulfur compounds. Onions have been used as a standard treatment for thousands of years. Treatments using onions break up chest congestion. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to crush an onion within coconut oil. Coat the chest with onion paste and cover the chest with a dish towel then a shirt. That's it, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Colic. Note, this is an old Cherokee Indian recipe for colic babies. Here's what you need to do. You just have to boil a small amount of diced yellow onion in water. Let the onion cool in the water then drain. Feed a teaspoon of the onion tea to the baby every hour until the baby appears to have some relief. Ear pain infection. How to use onion to cure ear infection. You just have to chop onion and put them into a thin sock and tie the sock closed. Place the flattened onion sock over the troubled ear and cover the head ear sock with a hat to hold the sock in place. Remove when pain is gone. You will be amazed by the results. Cuts. Can I ask you a simple question? Did you know that the transparent film of the onion skin will stop moderate bleeding immediately? Yes, and of course, and it also acts as an antiseptic for the wound. Cough. How to use onion to cure a chronic cough. It's very simple. You just have to peel a large onion and slice in half. Cover the face of each onion with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and cover the onions for 1 hour. The sugar-onion relish should be taken twice a day to help with the cough. Fever. You can also use the super healthy vegetable to treat fever. Here's what you need to do. You just have to slice an onion into thin slices. Rub the bottom of the feet with coconut oil. Put a thin slice into the arch of each foot and wrap with cling wrap. Cover the onion feet with sock overnight to allow the onion to draw out toxins and the illness from the body. Cleanse the air. How to use onion to cleanse the air. You just have to place slices of onion on plates throughout your house to purify the air of viruses and bacteria. Vomiting. Yes, the amazing onion can also help you stop nausea and vomiting. And it's very simple. You just have to grate 1 white or yellow onion. Press the onion juice from the onion wrapped in a cheesecloth. Brew a strong cup of peppermint tea and let it cool. Drink 2 teaspoons of the onion juice and wait 5 minutes. Drink 2 teaspoons of the cool peppermint tea and wait 5 minutes. Repeat both the onion juice and peppermint tea until the symptoms subside. Vomiting should stop immediately and the nausea should go away within 15 minutes. And trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Unusually uses for onion. You just have to rub a cut onion on you to repel bugs. Did you know that onion juice rubbed into your hair promotes growth? You should also know that onion juice repels moths. You'll be amazed when we tell you that boiled and cooled onion juice sprayed onto plants repels pests. Or, you can rub an onion slice into the face of an iron to prevent rusting. You can also polish copper and glassware with an onion slice. Or, simply rub a cut onion on you to prevent freckling. You will be amazed by the results. Yes, onions are awesome. You should also know that the Native Americans have used onion to treat colds and flu for centuries. Even the World Health Organization has recognized the ability of onion to relieve coughs, congestion, bronchitis and respiratory infections. This is really amazing. Onion cures have been around for centuries and is a trusted, proven treatment for many ailments. In the spirit of good health, give one of these natural onion remedies a try next time you are feeling a little under the weather. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one. If you loved video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to channel.